Sorry about earlier. Hey everyone, from the bowels of the World Wide Web, I'm Rockafeller Skank. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a Fatboy Slim single. Now you might be wondering, Rockafeller, is making a Fatboy Slim single hard? The answer is maybe. If you lived in 1997, but we live in the age of Audacity, VLC, and HP Spectra laptops, where everyone and their grandma is a SoundCloud rapper, so of course it'll be easy. Let me show you how it's done. First, you need the instrumental, because it's not a song without the music. Just find an obscure record from the 60s or the 70s and sample the first 10 seconds of one of the songs or whenever it gets interesting. If you can't find one, just take a guitar riff from one song and an upbeat piano sample from another. We need a beat sample so that the druggies, the partiers, will know how fast they should bop their heads. Normally you'll get a 303 to do this for you, but I don't have a 303. I know, everybody's gotta have a 303, but I'm that poor. The solution? Just slap a semi-psychedelic drum sample on it. You'll be fine. Do some reverb, some HPFs, maybe change the amplification? Change the positioning some notes. That way you'll be doing something. Now we need the vocals. It must be from an a cappella section. That is, the vocal sample should not be accompanied with any music. That way we can put in any melody we want.
Oh, like we're doing fitness.
Bonus if the vocals come from a movie.
I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it.
Screw it. Let's do both. Oh, and make sure the line you sample contains at least one swear word. That's really important. If your line doesn't have a swear word, that's fine. But if you can edit the line in a way that makes it sound like it's swearing, go for it. After all, that's what we're doing when the fat boy's trippin'. And supposedly not, I f with your woman, yeah, fat boy's trippin'. Think of the song as divided between two parts. The pop sounding part and the electronic sounding part. It's recommended that the electronic sounding part sounds musically decent and pleasing to the ear. The technical sounding part is also where most of the vocals will be, so keep that in mind. For the drops, it should be a skipping CD effect, like this. Or if you're feeling especially creative, you could do a reverse drop, where the music slows down and then cue the abrupt change. Do this where part 1 ends and part 2 begins. Use some sound effect as a link between the two parts. Put your spin on it. Make it sound epic, somehow. And now the #1 rule in making a Fatboy Slim single. Put the samples on repeat, ad nauseum. Repeat the vocals, repeat the instrumental, repeat everything. Even when you think it's too much, keep going. If this makes your mother leave the room, so be it. It's not like her musical tastes are any better. In fact, who listens to Vallenato anymore? Optional. You can create an album cover for your music. Make it something quirky like a floppy disk, or some guys with a surfboard, or the sun between someone's legs. Oh, or my personal favorite, a guy with a piece of clothing with a snarky message written on it. Yeah, like that. Yeah, like that.
Stick 'em, ha ha ha, stick 'em.
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I, Rockafeller Skank, with apologies to Norman Cook, present to you the Madagascar Skink. Hey, it's Val. I have a person I want you to play.
Who do you want playing now?
Well, the person I want you to play now is Spick of Dust. That guy has balls.
How ballsy is Spick of Dust?
The band of the Tens, if you want to call him a band, because he's just a sock puppet on the internet.
Wow. Any songs from him?
Absolutely.
What?
Move it like we do in fitness.
Tell me, I don't know what that is.
Well, the beginning goes like ba-da-da-da, do-do-do-do, ba-da-da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da, da-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. But that's not the best part. The best part is in the middle. It goes like move it, move it, move it, move it.
Move it.